Do you ask yourself what is inside AI to respond to everything without saying, I don't know today? Stay on this video. We are going to know the AI black box problem. When you get an answer from ChatGPT, but don't really know how it came to that conclusion, did it do well? Was it just fun for it to come up with this? Sometimes even AI engineers can't totally figure out all what happens inside AI. Yes, they know the structures, they know the frameworks, but the particular processes, how it comes up with answers, it is still a mystery. There is this thing called the AI black box problem. Sometimes it is called the AI black box paradox. Think of it like this. Just imagine I give you a mysterious black box. Maybe there is something or some information inside, or it is just an empty box. But whatever it is, the box processes the information you give it, and finally it responds to you with categorically given essays. Then you can see what exactly, you can't see what exactly is in there, but you have got your response and you're imagining what really happened inside there. Did it have answers prior before I gave it this input? This is the kind of the AI black box problem. It is still a mystery. That mysterious box is an AI system, and it's got this huge neural network. AI works on neural networks to make sure that it uses all the millions of billions of data given to process your information. To make sure that it gives you an answer, there is a lot that happens in those milliseconds. But how exactly does it do it? You ask yourself. Well, it's kind of hard to know because there are so many ongoing on there with the different AI tools and bots we are having right now. But it's really black and white. We don't know exactly what particular processes go on there. Let me give you another example. You ask ChatGPT, please, for help of a task, let's say creating a marketing strategy. It takes your input, processes it with all the billions of its structure, the neural network, with tons and tons of billions of learnings it has in just microseconds, then comes up with the answer. But you can't really tell what exactly happened in that box. And then you ask yourself, how do we know if ChatGPT's models are fair? Have you ever got that answers from ChatGPT or any AI tool, and you ask yourself, are they accurate? Why wouldn't we want to use AI for complex decisions like loans, job scouting? Well, there are a lot of issues in governance, AI privacy, explainability. All that is still missing. The AI black box exactly shows what this is. Not until it is solved. Obviously, with time, AI is having a lot of learnings. It will be solved. And you'll be giving AI, and it takes you through on how some of the things have been generated, or how some of the responses have been generated to come up with a structure of a response. It gives you like a marketing strategy. Don't just take AI answers completely directly to decision making. We still have the AI black box. Make sure that you take into AI governance. It is important because we are using AI to make big decisions, and if we can't understand what exactly happens inside the AI system, we may not trust it. And it's important to be fair and have that explainability. Sometimes we have gone ahead to ask AI, please explain how you got this. It will do the explainability, but not to the other extreme you needed. The next time you use ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini or any other AI system, it gives you an amazing answer. Remember, the AI is a complex machine that operates with so many learnings and processes. So what it says may seem simple, but there is something there that makes it all possible. ChatGPT or any other AI system will always remain having the AI black box problem, which is AI black box paradox. And we are really still trying to figure out, a lot of engineers, a lot of researchers are still trying to figure out everything in there. And as it is being done, make sure you be vigilant on data protection. Not all data has to be given to AI. AI governance, to make sure that whatever is given, first screen it and have the human judgment before you make decisions. There is a lot, but in case you want to learn all this, please subscribe to some of our classes, Sabtech Online. We shall bring you slowly by slowly to understand what exactly is AI. Stop looking at AI as the hype it has. I gave AI this, it gave me a report, it gave me a sweet and fantastic PowerPoint presentation, it analyzed my Excel data. No, it created a website in 3 seconds, 3 minutes. That is hype, but at some time we have to sit and ask ourselves, whatever we are doing, do we scrutinize that? Do we have the human judgment that comes into play? Otherwise, we meet next time, but where you have found this video, please leave a like, subscribe, follow, leave us a comment. I love the people who leave us comments, and one person is commented on this that please talk about the AI problem, AI black box paradox, and I was like, I can get some time and talk about it. The moment you leave a comment, it means that you give us an idea of what we should talk about next. Otherwise, meet you in the next video.